Hello, and welcome to Cooking with the Permaweb, a short and concise video of how to get started building on the Permaweb. Today, we're going to do a no code Hello World upload to the Permaweb. We'll get started on rweave.org, where you can find out everything you want to know about the Permaweb. And from there, we're going to go to cookbook.rweave.dev, and that's what we'll be working with in this series, Cooking with the Permaweb. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Build, and we're going to explore the cookbook. So we'll go to the cookbook, and we're going to go to Hello World. This guide will walk us through getting a wallet with some AR and actually uploading a file to the Permaweb just to understand what is actually going on. So the first thing you want to do is go to faucet.rweave.net and generate a JSON key file. This JSON key file will have your private key and your public key in what's known as a JWK or JSON web key. And we'll just go to faucet.rweave.net. And when you're ready to do this, you just hit that the checkbox and hit continue, and it'll download the key file to your local drive. And then you'll want to post a tweet to your Twitter account, um, and hit next once that tweet is done. And what the faucet will do is just drop you like a point zero 0.02 AR or like 24 cents, just so you can have a little AR to interact with the system. So I'm not going to do that because I've already done that step and you can only do it one time. So the next piece is to go to rweave.app.add and import that wallet. Um, so I'm going to go rweave.app and I'm going to choose one of my wallets. But basically, let me back up and take you through this. You go to add and you can click on the middle button here to import your JSON file. And then what it's going to do is it's going to show as a wallet here. So um, I'm going to pick a wallet that's got some AR. Here we go. So I'm going to take this wallet, and then what I'm going to do is click the send button. And the send button is I could send some tokens to another wallet, or I can upload some data. So I'm going to hit the send button and I'm going to upload some data. So I'm just going to click the middle button here, or I could type something. Maybe let's type something that'll be easier. So let's type hello Permaweb. But you could select a file as well. And then in order to upload it directly on the Permaweb, it's 3 bytes, which is going to be 0.000005 AR, right? So um, we've got that. We could also add a tag. We could say, the content type is text HTML. Be a good tag to add. And we can hit submit. And it's going to send that transaction. So super cool. And if we go look at our transactions, we can see that it's deploying and it's pending. And one of the nice things about when it's pending, it'll be a status 202, which means it's cached on the gateway. So we can copy this address and we can go to the gateway or any gateway and just type rweave.net and then paste the identifier, and we should have our page. Pretty cool. So basically, we have a wallet, and then that wallet has a little AR, which is the token to use to pay to put data on the Arweave network. And that token is AR, and it's divisible by 12, which the smaller units are called Winston. Um, and that's important to know. Also, throughout the series, we'll talk about how you can upload data without having to use AR for very small files. And that's pretty cool as well. Um, so hopefully this helps you get started. Um, the Permaweb is a lot of fun, and um, you can do some really amazing things with it. And yeah, thank you.